Hi everyone, this is your Sifu at Tree Nature and Teenage Dragon Taoism channel. Today I'm going to teach my disciple and disciples to cultivate their chain of bead for everyday protection and empowerment. This one, you can look at this. It has 12 beads, 12 balls chained together, and the diameter is 20 mm. That's 2 centimeters. Okay, these are huge balls, and the 12 represent 12 time periods in the day. So there are 2 hours in every time period. When we cultivate the beads, we're putting in our God, one God into each bead as we do the spell. So if we keep counting, right, if we do one cycle, we have put 12 gods into this. And you can keep putting more in as well. Okay, each god in the one bead is responsible for helping you for the 2 hours in a day. So every god responsible for 2 hours. Okay, so how do you cultivate? Very simple. Using the right hand, index finger, and thumb, and you find the first bead, which has this dangling thing right here, and you squeeze into it, and you do your spell, the heart spell. So for my disciples, you're doing the heart spell X, okay? Heart spell X. And now you do one time, then using your thumb to push to the next one, and then use the thumb to push to the next one, and so on, and cycle back, okay? So let's do one round of 12 times the heart spell. Pay attention that we're chanting in a way with a melody, so you're not going to fall asleep, and it also, the energy flows very well like that. Okay, so let's go. The heart spell is ten ya ju kim sam no zu sha ning sim zhong yan dai han wei ning kip yu ning. Okay, let's go. Number 1. Ten ya ju kim sam no zu sha ning sim zhong yan dai han wei ning kip yu ning. Ten ya ju kim sam no zu sha ning sim zhong yan dai han wei ning kip yu ning. Ten ya ju kim sam no zu sha ning sim zhong yan dai han wei ning kip yu ning. Then ya do him some no do da ding sim jo ye da hen waiting kip yo da ding. Then ya do him some no do da ding sim jo ye da hen waiting kip yo da ding. Then ya do him some no do da ding sim jo ye da hen waiting kip yo da ding. Then ya do him some no do da ding sim jo ye da hen waiting kip yo da ding. Then you do give some no do da ding sim jo ye da hen waiting kip yo da ding. Then you do give some no do da ding sim jo ye da hen waiting kip yo da ding. Then you do give some no do da ding sim jo ye da hen waiting kip yo da ding. Then you do give some no do da ding sim jo ye da hen waiting kip yo da ding. Then you do give some no do da ding sim jo ye da hen waiting kip yo da ding. Okay, put it back on. There you go. 12 round. 12 times the spell. So you see, you chant like that with melody, and make sure you close your eyes so you're connected to this in the spiritual dimension as you put in the gods. Okay, so close eyes, chant, and so on. Now, some people will be saying, "Oh, I don't have that much time." It's fine. You don't have to do the whole 12 beat. You can just count from number 1, and you may be like, oh, I just started my car waiting for it to warm up. You can do a few and then just drive, and then I'm waiting for my coffee, just bring it out and do a few. And I'm waiting for my friend to come over. Okay, just do a few, and eventually this thing becomes like your fidget, right? It always stick to you, and when you have like a little bit of time, you put more power inside. So it's just very simple, right? Now, when you carry this around, there are 2 ways to carry. You can put it on your left wrist or right wrist. The difference, well, if you need the help to go into you and affect you mentally, like help you think, right, and feel, put it on the left hand. Okay, the gods are going to go into you and affect the way you feel and think. So if you are doing something physically, like I'm going to a presentation, I'm going to an exam, and you want the God to empower you with your physical action, right hand. Okay? So you can wear the bead this way or that way. And one more very cool use for this is if you are living in like well, a not so safe area, or maybe you went to a hotel or motel or something and you're staying over, you can put this on the doorknob, which help you seal and secure the door and prevent, bad stuff coming in. So this is another use for this thing. Okay, so my disciples and disciples to be, remember to get started on your cultivation. I'll see you in the next one.